My serial episode of this program will be explored about the East African story, the Kush Kingdom and its tribal population in East Africa. Now, my first episode of this. Today we'll be talking about the Maasai tribe, and I, Abdulkadir Mohamed Intrepreted from Somali language. The directing and the producing of this program is I. Kenya is an iconic African safari destination and the home to the Maasai tribe. The Maasai are well known for their unique culture and tribe race. The Maasai are an endangered ethnic group in East Africa of semi-nomadic people settled in Kenya and northern Tanzania. Due to their distinct traditions, customs and race of their residents near the many national game parks of East Africa, the Maasai are among the foremost African ethnic and are known internationally because of their links to the national parks and reserves. The language they speak is called Maasai. This language derived from Nilo-Saharan, related to the Dinka and Nuer. They also speak the official languages of Tanzania and Kenya, Swahili and English. The Maasai population is now estimated 900,000. Although the Kenyan and Tanzanian governments have established programs to encourage the Maasai to live behind their traditional semi-nomadic lifestyle, the Maasai people have carried on their age-old customs. However, this is changing, albeit slowly. According to the tribes, now this story of Maasai. According to the tribe's own oral history, the Maasai originated north of Lake Turkana, northwest Kenya, in the lower Nile Valley. They began migrating south in the 5th century and arrived in the long tract of land stretching across central Tanzania and northern Kenya during the 7th and the 8th century. The Maasai territory reached its most dominant size in the 19th century, when they covered most of the Great Rift Valley and the adjacent lands from the Dodoma and the Mount Marsabit. At this time, the Maasai raided cattle far across the East Tanga coast in Tanzania. They used shields and spears, but mostly feared for throwing Oranka clubs, which could be expelled thrown from up to 70 paces, approximately 100 meters. The report of concentrated Maasai warriors told of their move in Kenya in 1852. After depopulating the Wakafu wilderness in southern Kenya, the Maasai warriors threatened Mombasa on Kenya's coast. The result of this migration led to the Maasai now being the southmost Nilotic speakers. The Maasai, a mutai of 1083 to 1019, came after the time of expanding. This period was scarred by epidemics of smallpoxes, flare-up pneumonia, and rinderpest. The estimated 90% of cattle and half of whale species perished from the ranger pest. The drastic period coincided with the drought. The rains neglected the lands completely in 1897 and 1898, commencing with 1904 treaty and followed by another treaty in 1911. Maasai lands in Kenya were cut down by 6% when the British evicted them to allow space for settled ranches, thus converting the Maasai people to present-day Narok and the Kajiado districts. Maasai in Tanzania were forced out from their fertile lands between Mount Kilimanjaro and the Mount Meru and most of their fertile mountainous regions near to the Ngorongoro. The first serial episode of my program posted in here. Begin now till the next episode. Wishing you having a nice. Thank you for watching.